We're officially into double digits. It's day 10 of Stitchmas. Let's get right into it. Our box is looking pretty thin today. We got 10 sitting here. We have 12. We got 11. This sounds like it's either something broken. Can you hear that? Something broken or beads or something like that. Oh, it's some kind of jewelry. I don't think I have anything that's crochet themed or yarn themed jewelry wise. Oh, wow. Some little hoop dangly earrings with little yarn balls. And then I can't tell if these are just little gold circles. And it says yarnologist. It says yarnologist here, the little gold discs and the hanging down earrings with the little yarn balls. That's very cute. I think that's something I would definitely wear. Man, I wish I would have had that for my husband's party last weekend. I would have totally worn these and rocked them. I love that. That's kind of a neat idea when you think about it. It's fun to have something that you can just wear and look pretty. Well, that's pretty awesome. Let's go talk about our ultimate crochet bag. Today, to our ultimate crochet bag, we're going to add a note card, a pen, and a highlighter. Now, depending on the type of pattern you're working on, you might want different things. Me, I typically like to have some kind of note card, and I usually put on here like what the project is, my hook size, and then any special notes. I like to have a note card in case something happens and like my hook gets lost, or I had to use the hook for something else and I can't remember which one I did, or maybe my pattern just sits in timeout for a little while because I need a break from it. But I like to have a note card. A pen is essential as far as I'm concerned, and a highlighter is nice because if you're working on a pattern like you've printed off the internet and you're working with like a graph, you've got something you could like mark off your stitches, or if there's a specific spot you need to remember, highlighter is nice to draw attention to those things. So these are a few essentials. Sometimes I like to put a post-it note in too. For this today, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put in these things. My question of the day is, do you use any kind of writing tools to keep track of your pattern? Do you use post-it note, note card, piece of paper? Do you do all of your patterns off your phone or your tablet or your computer? Like, do you print your patterns out? Tell me in the comments, how do you keep track of your pattern? Until tomorrow, take care.